So, I will be saying goodbye to my Cbank and hello to Marbank debit card. Alam, bilis naman dumating ng Marbank debit card ko. Nag-order ako noong October 25, 2025 and then today is October 30, 2025. Pakita ko sa inyo. October 30, 2025 ngayon. So, inabot lang yan ng 4 banking days. Ang bilis, no? Pero thank you, at least na-receive ko na siya. So, I will be saying goodbye to my Cbank debit card. Pero kahit yung card mo is Cbank debit card katulad nitong sa akin, functional pa rin naman yan. Magagamit mo pa rin yan. Magagamit mo pa rin yung mga cashback promos ni Marbank. Pangalan na nagbago, pero same service pa rin. So, goodbye to this. So, let's unbox our Marbank debit card. And ganito lang naman mag-unbox. So, ang courier na ginamit pala ni Marbank is SPX. Ayan siya. Dineliver siya today actually, and syempre excited tayong mag-unbox. Gusto ko kasi siyang ma-unbox na today. So, this is the Marbank debit card. So, ayan. Orange na orange pa rin. And then, buksan natin syempre. Charan! So, this is the Marbank. So, open natin siya. And so, this is my Marbank debit card. So, ganyan na siya. Nakatayo na siya, no? So, ito pahaba. Ayan. So, ayan. So, kapag kinuha na natin siya, as of recording this video, 99 pesos pa rin po yung Marbank debit card. So again, walang nakalagay na details sa likod. Only my name. And pipirmahan ko siya dyan doon sa grayish part na yan. Pero i-activate ko na muna siya. So, open lang natin yung app. Open lang natin yung cards. And then yan, makikita mo Marbank siya. So, nakalagay naman dyan yung, ito, activate now. Ayan yun. Nakikita mo yung activate now. So, i-activate lang natin siya. Activate physical card. Makikita mo siya. So, takpan ko na yung dapat takpan dyan. Enter card manually or scan QR code. So, pwede naman natin i-scan yung QR code. Nandito rin naman yung QR code. Please enter your password. So, confirm lang natin yan. So, card activation successful na siya. Ayan. So, may marireceive kang email and text message din. Pindutin lang natin yung done. So, syempre, hindi na to functional itong Cbank debit card na to. Marbank na gagamitin natin for every transaction. So, I will be saying goodbye to my Cbank and hello to Marbank debit card. Kung wala pa kayong Marbank, you can open naman Marbank, pero make it sure naman na mag-download ka muna ng Marbank app via App Store, Play Store, and once you sign up, don't forget to use our referral code na March26 so that you can get 175 pesos as your referral reward. But don't forget to hold 1,000 pesos for 3 days and follow for more.